this quick little Walmart grocery haul. I have this mixed chili beans, 2 of these Brooks hot chili beans, some light red kidney beans, of course our vegetarian baked beans, some of these Hunt's tomato sauce, the basil, garlic, and oregano. I love these. I bought 4 of these. Some eggs, this oven ready lasagna. I have not tried this yet, but I have a recipe that I'm going to make, so hopefully it works well. Good Thins, the sea salt kind. These are my favorite. I love having these with tuna salad or chicken salad. I've never had this brand, but they were out of the Walmart brand, the diced jalapeno peppers. I like these for my bagels. Some hamburger dill chips. Some Rotel. This Tyson pulled chicken breast. I bought these for my kids and my husband, these cheese Ritz. Some of the fish grams, vanilla cupcake. So I have an English cucumber, cilantro, a zucchini. I thought I ordered 2 of these avocados, but apparently not. The tricolor bell peppers, some hot pico de gallo, and a squash. Some russet potatoes. This Alexia crispy onion rings. Velveeta shreds, the Mexican blend. I can't believe it's not butter. Fat-free cream cheese. This Joseph's Lavish bread. I'm going to make pizzas out of these. The sugar-free Cool Whip. Of course, my Morningstar black bean burgers. These Morningstar corn dogs. Some Fritos because my husband loves to eat chili with these. And some honey-made graham crackers. This Silk almond creamer, the caramel, is my favorite. My Fairlife fat-free milk. And that is it for this grocery haul. If you enjoyed this grocery haul, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe.